Hey everybody, it's Lon Seibin, and I am very excited to try out this new camera from Lenovo that they let me borrow for a couple of days. This is the Mirage camera, and it works with Google Daydream and YouTube and other services to give you a three-dimensional 180-degree video. So we're going to have a lot of fun playing with this one, I think. Again, this is on loan from Lenovo, and no one's paying for what you're about to see here. This is the unboxing. I'm going to have a full review of this on my main YouTube channel at lon.tv. So here is the camera itself. And what's nice about this is that it is 180, so you don't have to worry about trying to focus your viewers on something. They will largely know where to look because they're getting 180 degrees. They can look around a little bit, and they'll have a 3D image, which is not something you always see with those 360 videos. So here is the camera itself. It looks like it's got an SD card slot here along with a USB-C connector. And then in here, this must be where the battery goes, perhaps. Let's flip this open here. See if that, does that open? I don't know. I don't want to break it here. So we'll try to get in there and see what that's all about. Two lenses here on the front so you can get those 3D images. Looks like there's a shutter button over here and another little button, which I'm assuming is a power button over there. So lots of good stuff. We'll be, again, exploring all of its features in the main review. In this portion of the box, let's take a look and see what we got. I bet you the battery's in here. So we have a power adapter and a power cord. And it looks like the battery. It's kind of nice to see a product with a removable battery these days. It's not something you get all that often anymore. And wow, two batteries. So that's good. So we have two batteries here for using it. Got a little manual here to show us how to use it. And we also have a carrying pouch for it too. So very cool stuff. I like the size and the form factor here. This is really decent. And we'll be putting it through its paces here. I'm going to go shoot some images with this. Actually, my daughter might be enjoying playing with this too. So we're going to have some fun trying to figure out how this camera works and look for a full review coming up soon on the main channel. And then we'll put up a lot of footage here on this channel too. And Final Cut Pro, which is what I use for editing, now supports these kinds of images too. So we'll see how that works. Maybe that might warrant another video in of itself. So lots to see here coming up with some of these new Lenovo Mirage devices. And check out the unboxing I just did of the Mirage Solo, which is a headset that you can use to watch the videos that come out of this. But again, these will work with anything that supports the 3D stuff. So even Google Cardboard can get use of this thing because it'll all play back on YouTube. So more to come. Stay tuned. And this is Lon Seibin. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.